household.
Wait, get a load of me now. I got that bitch.
Wilbur.
He was like, go get your drink. You better choke, ain't it?
No!
No! Shut up! You quit recording me. Quit recording me. Dude, you gotta check all up in your teeth and shit.
I'm gonna go on there, bye.
Man, I got gum teeth.
I suffer from gingivitis.
I suffer from gingivitis. Severe gingivitis.
My tooth is about to... Oh, God! My tooth fell out.
I'm gonna have to learn how to play this shit. Damn it. I do better eating the box. How to play the mouth harp. How to play the mouth harp. Google, just so you know, you got to look these things up. Right? You've got to look them up because this right here doesn't just do it on its own. Just gonna put that down. Oh no, come on. Figure it out. I keep putting your mouth on the wrong end to be okay, but that's just me. Okay. Your mouth's still on the same end. I'm at the other end. Really? I don't think it is. Oh God, I'm laughing so hard it hurts. Ow! I'll break a tooth.
That really pissed me off. Just joking, come on guys.
This is what the dashy laugh is, and I do it perfectly. It's literally just like... It's perfect.
¿Cómo está, papi? I'm from BD. I go to the Boca Resort. I don't tip them nothing. It's all part of the resort fee. You should see their face. Sorry, can't tip you. Yeah, I don't give them nothing. Everything's free, and then the bellman is carrying the 300 pounds of luggage, gives me a bucket of ice on thing. It's all part of the resort fee. Ooh, is that funny? I think I'll play some golf with my buddy I kept for the bellman. Well, my first taste of Colombian food. I don't know where they caught that fish, but boy, those fishermen better go out further. Well, that's about it. Old Pop's got to go back and get some bucket ice. BD, you come back through now.
Why'd you lock me out? Oh my god, I can't breathe. Thank you. Oh my god, this belt is so tight. My fat ass. I would drown.
This Fashion Week over in Paris. The latest fashions are on the runway for next spring. But there was a problem out there today. One of the British designers' shows had a difficulty. A model fell down twice. That's her going down once. The young woman wearing that pink skirt and the orange platform shoes never quite recovered after that. There she goes again. That had to hurt. That was uncool. That's embarrassing. This is at least the second time.
Well, you all are just really tickled by that, aren't you? You try walking in those shoes.
Hey, first of all, baby, I got enough meat on me that it's all right.
George. I'm sorry. Come on, girl.
We want to apologize.
Hold on. You want to try?
You want me to leave sports?
Oh, you're a dog. Oh, he lives to do that to me.